robustly. You asked me a question and said, where were you? It was biologically impossible for me to be there. So don't question me. Go and question my mother and my father why I was not there. But when the time came, I showed up. And when the time came, I never sold out. When the time came, I was never a collaborator. I came at an early age and nothing will remove me. Attempts were there to silence me with the story of being disrespectful. I'm not disrespectful. I engage robustly. A ke rapeletse boroko ka budulala. Nna a ke chabe motho, ke chaba maka, ke bolela nnete. Musho wa dinonyana utlowa in less than 2 years. Awuwe musho wa dinonyana awuwe.
Kwenza kwethu sengathi ke sisheshe samhlulela umnumzane Julius Malema, sengathi ke sisheshe samncoma umnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa ke naye ngespeech sakhe akasenzile eziphosa zonke kumnumzane Julius Malema. Ngiqale ngobingelele ngikwamukele le channel eMasweti Media Production okubingelelayo ngixolisa mfana kadlo maphansi le enkandla. Uma ngabe ke uyaqala ukufika le channel cela ukuthi ngenzele iqiniso ukuthi ucofa subscribe maqedwe bale video ushaye like bese ke uyakhomenta kulolu daba namhlanje. Bafowethu sengathi sisheshe samncoma umnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa ngazo zonke abekade ke ephosa ku Julius Malema. Cha, impendulo kaMalema imina njengokwami ivesane ke yangigeza ubebebe njengoba ke uyizwela ephendulela. Uyabuza ukuthi ke wemnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa njengoba ke ungibuza ukuthi xa ngikuphi ngekhathi zoMarikana, ngekhathi zoMandela, ngekhathi ke zobandlululo, zonke lezo ikhathi zokulela inkululeko zo Solomon, uyazi na ukuthi kanti mina ngizalwa nini? Uyamtshela ukuthi ke ku impossible ngokuzala kwakhe ukuthi ke kumele ukuthi bekhona ngalezo ikhathi, kodwa uyasho ukuthi kube kuthiwa wayekhona wayengeke abe sell out. Wafika ke ngesikhathi akafika ngaso kanye wazalwa ngesikhathi akazalwa ngaso, wangaba i-sell out, wangaba i-collaborator nabantu abamhlophe. Eyichaza ke yonke lento ngolimi ke labangisi njengoba kuzoyizwa ke nawe eyichazela ngowakhe la. Uthi mayisuka lapho ke bese yambuza ke ethi wena mnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa ngingathi ontanga yakho beboshwa belwa wena wawukuphi na? Ngicela nje ukuthi ke uyizwe ukuthi ke uyibeke kanjani le ndaba mnumzane Julius Malema.
You can never only play the ball without understanding the strength and weaknesses of the player. We will also welcome, and this we did at a number of times. We welcomed and tolerated whosoever does that against us. When we get criticized by your side, even sometimes the political amateurs like Butima Namel, who come and attack us personally, we never respond to them. We never cry because we are not crybabies. We fight because we are fighters. Instead of crying, we fight. In politics, the individual's personal character is key to historical developments. Otherwise, why is there Nelson Mandela Day? The individual strength of Mandela is what we are drawn to reflect upon. Learn from him as a leader, but more broadly as a human being. It is a fact that in light of the government of national unity, which originates from the white capitalist establishment, we needed to appreciate your own historical involvement with these white people. And a close attention to your personal political journey gives testament to the suspicion that this government was not actually created now. It came from long time ago because you were made a project long time ago. When we say you did not go to Robben Island when your peers went to Robben Island, how can that be an insult? When we say you wrote a letter and said they planted communist ideas in your head to the police, how can that be an insult? To tell the truth is the greatest respect we give to a sitting president.